Namo Venkateshaya. Yesterday we awakened the Lord who is served by the celestial guardians Ananta, Garuda, and the eternal companions of Vaikunta. We celebrated his boundless grace and his role as the whole refuge of the universe. Today we stand before the Lord with a garland of names, each a fragrance of divinity. Padmanabha, Purushottama, Madhava, Janardana, Vasudeva, each name a doorway to his infinite nature. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so this daily devotion reaches more hearts. Let's dive into the meaning of this beautiful shloka. Shri Padmanabha Purushottama Vasudeva. Salutations to Padmanabha, the lotus-naveled Lord, Purushottama, the Supreme Being beyond all, and Vasudeva, the indwelling divine essence. Vaikuntha Madhava Janardana Chakrapane. Hail to Vaikuntha Madhava, the Lord of Vaikuntha, Janardana, the protector of all, and Chakrapani, wielder of the divine discus. Shri Vatsa Chinha Sharanagata Parijata. Adorned with the Shri Vatsa mark, you are like the celestial Parijata tree, granting blessings to all who seek your shelter. Shri Venkatachalapate Tava Suprabhatam. O Lord of Venkatachala, may this sacred morning be auspicious to you. Vishnu, are you ready to chant this with me?
Amma.
Shri Padmanabha
Shri Padmanabha
Purushottama Vasudeva Vaikuntha Madhava Janardana Chakrapani Shri Vatsa Chinha Sharanagata Parijata Shri Venkatachalapate Tava Suprabhatam. Let us now repeat the entire shloka twice to deepen our connection with the Lord's many forms. Shri Padmanabha Purushottama Vasudeva Vaikuntha Madhava Janardana Chakrapane Shri Vatsa Chinha Sharanagata Parijata Shri Venkatachalapate Tava Suprabhatam. Shri Padmanabha Purushottama Vasudeva Vaikuntha Madhava Janardana Chakrapane Shri Vatsa Chinha Sharanagata Parijata Shri Venkatachalapate Tava Suprabhatam. Each name of the Lord is a sacred flame, illuminating a unique facet of His infinite grace. As we chant them, we too are bathed in their radiance, feeling protected, uplifted, and embraced. Tomorrow, we enter a realm of divine beauty, where the Lord's form is so resplendent, even the pride of Cupid is dissolved. May your mornings be filled with peace, strength, and sweetness. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so we can all walk this path together. Om Namo Venkateshaya.